Batik is from Ba and Tik. Ba means fighting and Tik means dog. Malaysian batik is textile art of Malaysia, especially from Terengganu. Popular motifs are leaves, flowers, and geometry. Why don't human or animals? Because Islam norms forbid animal image as decoration, but butterfly is exception. There is many utilization of batik. You can use as dress, or in Malaysia it's called jubah, and then it can be trouser or some model of skirt. And for your accessories, you can use scarf and veil motif batik. And then for accessories, it can be fan and many kind of bags, like shoulder bag, sling bag, or backpack. And also it can be a wallet, pencil case, sunglasses case. And for your makeup, you can put your makeup on pouch. And for make your day is more beautiful, you can use outfit with type of batik. In making batik, you can use wax for making motif or batik. It can be writing or stamp. For coloring batik, you can use three kinds of primer color. It's yellow, red, and blue. If you want to make some other color, you can put them together and make the new color, and then you can coloring your batik. This temperature making batik in Terengganu. On afternoon, Terengganu is 33 degrees Celsius, and on night, Terengganu is 27 degrees Celsius. Optimum melting wax is it can calculate is 188 minutes, and on night it can be 212 minutes. So the good temperature to make batik is on day, because it take short time to melting wax. In Terengganu, there is many pattern for batik, like flora and geometry.
Batik, I will say I will give 6 out of 10.
For correlation, it can be correlated. Negative correlation means the older people, the less scale of liking batik. Well, of course, not perfect correlation, as the data is not lot.
To make one dress, we need production cost 65 ringgit, and we will sell with price 86 ringgit. Assumption fixed cost is 160 ringgit. For the formula profit equal R minus C equal 21x minus 1050. BEP profit equal 0. X equal 7.143.